Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day and chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again, and today we are going to be doing a poppin' fall wig. Okay, this is a fall inspired wig. I was inspired to do this look by Leelees, yours truly, on YouTube. Her YouTube name is I am Leah. Okay, I'll leave her information down below so you guys can go see where I got this idea from. So yeah, basically guys, as you guys can see, I already had the hair a nice chestnut brownish color already. I did this back in July. Go check that video out. Okay, but basically I just want to give a little more highlights, give more dimension, different browns and auburns, and I want to make the front blonde. So I'm using the BW2 and 30 developer, and I'm just gonna, you know, put it in the front. I sectioned off where I want it to be, which would be in the middle. So I sectioned that part off, and I'm just putting it all over the hair. Now the hair has already been bleached one time, like I said, in July, but now it's like I'm bleaching the whole thing again, plus the roots. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and then I'm also putting it on like certain black parts of the hair as well. So you guys will see me just putting it like mainly at the top and in certain places that I feel needed, okay? And one thing I could say, guys, after I dyed this hair, after I bleached this hair, first of all, do y'all see what I'm doing to my mannequin? Like, I usually put a plastic over my mannequin, but I don't know, I guess I must have been eager to do this shit, so I just fucking messed up my canvas head. So I'm using these 2 boxes of dye. I got them from Dollar General, just like Leelees did. I went and got the same box dyes. I really didn't need them, but I just, like I said, I wanted different dimensions of auburns and browns and chestnuts and blondes. So I went and got the same thing. And then all I did really was just like mix, you know, mix both of the dyes, and just I put them like you see me doing here. I put them like in different places. I put the more blonde one at the top, and then I put like the brown one close to the bottom. So you guys will see that. I left this on for about an hour. I left this on for maybe like 45 minutes. It took like, yeah, 45 minutes for the front to dye or to bleach, lighten. And honestly, this hair is, listen guys, this closure is from Tinashe. It's a 5x5 closure. It's from Tinashe hair. And this hair I had for about a year. The deep wave hair is amazing actually, guys, and it's sad that the company is no longer in business, so I won't even mention the name. But yeah, like the closure matched well with the hair, and that closure is from Tinashe hair, like I said. But again, guys, you guys can look at my other videos and you guys will see, you know, where this hair is from. But like I said, they're not in you know, business anymore. So I'm just putting the dye all over, getting it all over, letting it sit. I noticed that the brown dye didn't lift too much, but it did a little bit. But I love the turnout. You guys will love it too, hopefully. And I hope this was definitely helpful. Oh, I can't talk this morning. But yes, guys, look at what it did to my canvas head. That looks so messy. Please don't do what I do. Make sure you put something down. So this is the finishing product. I did use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Not the finishing product. But what I did was I just, you know, let the hair air dry. And then I put this Sleek and Shine serum on the hair, and I flat iron the hair first. So as you guys can see, I didn't record me doing the first pin curl, but I'm basically doing pin curls. I don't even know how to do pin curls, but I did it, okay? So, yeah, just flat ironed it here first. I believe my flat iron was like on 400, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just like running it through it like, you know, maybe 3-4 times. And then I went ahead and curled it. And then I went ahead and put the pin curls. So I've never done pin curls before. I've never curled my hair with a flat iron before. The reason I did that is because I don't have a curling iron. So that's why I was doing that. I didn't, you know, it was late at night. I didn't go buy one yet. So that's basically what I'm doing here. As you guys can see, like the hair gets very beautifully straight. So yeah. So moving on to the front, as you guys can see, it's not super blonde, but it's a very pretty golden blonde. And I'm just tweezing the part just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. And you guys will just see me styling the front, you know. Putting some edge booster, and I'm just gonna like flat iron the hair. Actually, I'm going to hot comb the hair so it can be flat, you know, as flat as possible. Now, okay, so guys, I moved recently in July, and my stove is a electric stove, so it's not a gas stove where I can just put my old school hot comb on the fire. Like I legit have to heat it up in the oven. Like, so ghetto, y'all. It's so ghetto. But anyway, I got it done though. Okay, I got it done.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Basically, guys, you guys seen what I did. Everything that I did, I honestly tried to, copy what, or imitate what Leelees, yours truly, did. Guys, definitely go subscribe to her channel. Okay, she poppin' or whatever. Like, she just lit, y'all, and she got them hands when it comes to the hair. So basically, guys, this hair is inspired by her. It was a little easy for me, y'all. I kind of cheated a little bit because I already had the color, kind of. Like, I already had the color scheme going on. My wig was already brown with highlights. So I just kind of just like amped it up a little bit. So if you guys want to see that video of like how that color turned out, how I got that color, just click the link also in the description box. So you guys can see like how I got that color. But all I did, you guys, was, you know, put the bleach in the front and just put little highlights at the top. Okay, so at the top you guys can see the highlights kind of left and back. You know, you can just see different hints of like brown and browns, auburns. Okay, so I thought it was cute. At first I was like, oh my god, it's gonna look hit. It's gonna look hit. On top of that, y'all, I finally got them flick of the wrist curls. Listen, I did this with a flat iron, y'all. Can y'all believe this is deep wave hair? Deep wave hair. Now, I probably said it already in the beginning of the video, but The back of the hair is from another company. I don't work with that company. Well, that company, the bundles are is a deep wave from another company. They are no longer in business, so I'm sorry guys, but yeah. But it's some good ass hair though. And in the front, the closure is a 5x5 deep wave closure, and it's from Tinashe Hair. So yeah, y'all already know this hair is popping or whatever. Like, listen, just look how pretty the hair is, okay? So you can get this look with, like, you know, with any type of hair. Like, you could just straighten some curly hair. Now, I had that curly hair for a year, so like I always like to reuse my hair because I don't get hair like that. So I like to reuse my hair, make it different styles. Nobody wouldn't even know, okay? So also I didn't get the curls really correctly. I still have to work on my curling. But as you guys can see, I basically did, you know, I tried. So I hope you guys like it. I didn't want it too blonde. So it is kind of a brassy looking blonde as well. But it's still cute. Like, it's still cute. Like, I didn't really, I didn't want to, how you call it, when they try to tone it. I didn't want to tone it. So I just left it how it is. If I feel like I don't like it, then I will. But I like how it is. I like the color that it is. I feel like it fits my complexion. If you guys want to know more about these contacts, I will have a video up soon. I'm probably going to record it right after this video. So just subscribe, turn the notifications up, stay tuned for the video. Okay? So yeah. But I hope you guys are liking my hair. Look at these pretty curls, y'all. Just look, like I really did my thing with these curls. And I just pin curled it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I pin curled it. Hold on. Ooh. I pin curled it. I pin curled my hair. And the curls are just so pretty when it drops too. Like this hair, y'all, listen, I feel so cute with this hair. It's not even funny. It feels so good. Like, I don't know this closure, so I think it's full enough. Look at this, y'all. Please tell me why I still got a pin in my hair. This too much hair, honey. I still had a freaking pin in my hair. That's crazy. You have to check out my other full hair videos. I have so many. You guys love those. I got like, what, like 24K, almost 30K on it. Yeah, I just loving it or whatever. But I'm not the best colorist, but it's kind of like common sense, you know. But all I did was, like, my closure is on, honey. Like, I just sprayed it on with some Got To Be. My wigs usually don't move anyway, because I use the wig grip and they stay in place. So it's perfect, honestly. So shout out to Leelees, yours truly, for this poppin' ass shit right here. Her channel is actually Leewanta. Hold on. Let me get it right, because I don't want to get it wrong. But I'll also leave it in the description box as well. Her page is I am Leewanta Leah. That's I am Lewonta space Leah. And yeah, I'm looking at hers. Hers is more toned, I think, in the front. So, but hers is cute too. Like, it's so sexy. So definitely go check her video out. But let me know if you like mine. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, tap that bell to be notified when your girl uploads. Okay. And I'm just loving this, like, with the contacts. Listen, honey, I am full ready, honey. But I'm proud of myself with the flat ironing and with the curling. I left the pins on for about a week, honestly. Like, I did this shit last week Friday, and I just took the pins out this Saturday, like the following Saturday. So yeah, that's why they look so bomb and bombshellish and cute and just popping. But yeah, guys, don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye.